Welcome at a Blender Quick Tip, and for today I've got 6 handy things for you to Blender. Sometimes when you're modeling, some weird stuff may show up onto your model, and that's because one of the faces is facing the wrong way. For reasons in Blender, you have an inside and outside direction on a face. Back in the days, you could simply solve this problem by going into edit mode and select the face that is facing the wrong way, or either you can press on recalculate or flip directions and the problem is solved. Nowadays this works a little bit different because the interface has changed. With the face being selected, you can either or go to the mesh, go to normals and choose one of those. And I'm gonna choose flip normals. Or you can actually use the hotkey Shift N or Shift Ctrl N. Or you can just press Ctrl first, then Shift and then N. It's just what you like to press first. Sometimes, for whatever reason it is, you want to extrude a face within a face, as you can see on the right side. All you have to do is select one face, press E for extrude, press escape because you don't want it to be up or down, but you want to press S and scale it inwards. But you don't want to do every face manual, so what you will do is you press B, select everything, press E for extrude, press escape, then press for scale, and this is what happens. What can we do about that? Well, we could say let's press Alt E and extrude individual face. What will happen when we press escape and press S for scale? The same thing will happen. Because Blender doesn't know you want each face to have its own individual point. Which I mean, when we go up here and open this, you have a few point options. We are using median point, which means that multiply faces will face to one point. And we want each face to have its own individual point. So when we select this, press E, press escape, press S for scale, nothing happens because we need to press Alt E and choose individual face. If we press escape, press S for scale, now you can see we can do multiply faces. Did you know when you're in edit mode and press one vertex and you press Shift Ctrl B, you can actually make a triangle shape at the corner. Sometimes in edit mode, for whatever reason it is, you want to have multiply faces near each other with a gap between in. So what you do is press Shift D, hold your Ctrl, place it down there, Shift D, place it down there. But what you also can do after pressing Shift D and place it there is press Shift R to repeat the same action. Which I come to the next step. We all know when you press Ctrl Z, you will undo the last step. But what if you want to have it back? If I would press R right now, nothing happens. I want to undo this step. I want to press Shift, Ctrl Z, and now I bring them back. So undo, Ctrl Z, undo, Shift, Ctrl Z. And the last one, since I'm being busy with the fluid simulator, did you know if you press Shift A, spawn in a cube, then go to Objects, go to Quick Effects and click on Quick Fluid, that you only have to press Bake and that you are good to go? If you've got some questions or requests, then comment below. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.